Hi, I'm Kai, CEO of Pegasus Solar. I'm here to share with you today our new test fixture for testing composite roof mounts. We felt that many of the standards were inadequate to represent a real-world scenario of mounts in the field. So with this rig, we're able to apply a lateral load, much like there'd be in a heavy snow condition, while running water down the roof, like there's snow melt. Today we're going to test our new InstaFlash. So let me show you how that installs. InstaFlash is a comp mount that has a factory installed non-hardening sealant on the underside to seal up the lag hole as well as any missed pilot holes. It has this plastic cage that you can grip and it's not going to make a mess over your hands. Let's go ahead and install it. Yeah, missed the rafter. We're going to connect the load cell to our mount, and that's connected to these cables which run through these two shifts and down to a pneumatic ram where we can apply the lateral load. On the far side, we'll test a mount that's in sub-freezing conditions, and on this side we'll test a mount that's heated up like it's in the desert. Alright, so we applied a load up to 400 pounds. We cycled it on several times and ran the water for about an hour with that lateral load applied. We've unattached the cables. Let's see how these performed. First one, you can see no water has gotten to the underside. All the missed pilot holes are still properly sealed up. Let's take a look at the other one. This was our frozen InstaFlash. As you can see, all the missed pilot holes are still properly sealed up and there's been no water that's leaked through. So use InstaFlash and have a better day on the job without any leaks.